We are in an area of the city where you do have a neighbor right next door, and the client wanted some more privacy. So here we've done a couple things to help provide that privacy while also having a very aesthetically pleasing result. Hey guys, today we're talking about a few ways to add privacy in your urban backyard. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here we've wrapped up this beautiful backyard renovation project. We have a new deck and pergola. So here we've done a couple things to help provide that privacy while also having a very aesthetically pleasing result. So one way we've done this is adding these privacy screens. This is quite an elegant system. They do provide some privacy without being overbearing. Design-wise, it's an attractive combination running that lumber with the black inlaid screens. So that's one way to do it, where you don't have one large screen wall the whole way across. You can do it in panels. So it's a nice design touch, still effective. Also, in regards to your landscaping, here we've planted some Swedish aspens, and these trees stay quite slender. They grow quickly. And these are planted directly in between our screens, so they tie in really well with the overall design. But again, we'll give you some nice trees once they fill in, adds more of the privacy and really creates for a beautiful backyard setting. So if you're planning your backyard renovation, you have some questions about how to get some privacy from your neighbors, please do reach out. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes. Have a great day.